So in this example I have taken a transportation problem where we require to find out the basic feasible solution. So in this example supplies, demands and with various costs per product for transportation was given, and whatever matrix was given is called as cost matrix. Now we are going to find out the minimum transportation cost with a method called Vogels approximation method. But before applying that method, we have to check whether the given problem is a balanced problem or not. So to check that, we need to find out total supply, which is equivalent to 5 plus 2 plus 3, that is equivalent to 10, and total demand is equivalent to, total demand means you can see the corresponding columns 3 3 2 2, that means 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. So the total supply is equivalent to total demand, so it is a balanced problem. So once you know that it's a balanced problem, now we can go for finding basic feasible solution by Vogels approximation method. So in this method, we will take the given matrix and we apply a 3 steps procedure. So in this model we are going to follow a 3 steps procedure. In that, the first step is we are going to find out penalties. I am writing here penalties. So here in this example we have 3 rows and 4 columns. So for all these rows and columns we are going to apply, or we are going to find out penalties. Then what is meant by penalty, sir? A penalty is nothing but the difference between, this is nothing but difference between the first two least values of a row or a column. Suppose if you take the first row, the least is 3, next least is 4. So the difference between 3 and 4 is nothing but 1, that we need to write in the brackets like this. Now in the second row, least is 2, next least is 2. So difference is 0, that 0 is called as penalty. And third row, least is 3, next least is 5, the penalty is 2. Difference between 5 and 3, least is 3, next least is 4, so difference is 1. Got it? Similarly for the columns, for the first column, column means vertical lines. First is least is 2, next least is 3, so difference is 1. Next is 3 4, difference is 1. 3 6, difference is 3. 2, next column 2, next list is 4, difference is 2. So like this we have to find out penalties for each row and each column, and we need to write them in the brackets. After that, in the second step, we have to find out the highest penalty corresponding row or column. So in this, whatever numbers I have written in the brackets are called penalty. So this. So all these 7 are penalties. Out of these, we need to find the highest penalty. What is the highest penalty? 3 is the highest penalty. So this highest penalty is there for the column, so that corresponding column we have to identify like this. But remember that highest penalty may come to the column or may come to the row. So in this example, highest penalty is 3, and this is corresponding to third column. Okay, this is second step. Coming to the third step. Now in this identified column, we have to take the least element. What is the least element? 6 3. Out of 6 3 8, the least is 3. So for this least element 3, we have to go for allocation. Then how to do allocation, sir? It's very simple. For this 3, let's see corresponding row supply is 2, and corresponding this is supply and this is the demand. So for this least element 3, supply is 2 and the corresponding demand is 2. So out of these 2, the least one should be allocated. So here it is 2, here it is 2. So we have same value, so we can allocate 2 here. Then out of 2, we have allocated 2, so 2 will become 0. And here out of 2 we have allocated, so this also becomes 0. Okay, so this supply became 0 and column also became 0. Now the most important is, now we need to delete that 0 valued supply row or 0 valued column. So here this 0 valued row is second row, so second row will be deleted. Similarly, this third column became 0, column in the sense third column demand became 0, so third column also must be deleted. Now after deleting this second row and third column, then the leftover matrix is 3, 7, 4. Leftover matrix is 3, 7, 4 and 4, 3, 5. 4, 3, 5. So this is the new matrix. Got it? After writing the new matrix, and we need to take the new supplies and demands. The new supplies means leftover. This is 5, this is 3. Coming to the demands, leftover is 3, leftover is 3, leftover is 2. Now if you observe, now we have a new matrix with corresponding supply and demand. Now whatever steps we have applied in the above matrix, same we need to repeat here. We need to repeat the same steps until we get 0 for supply and 0 for demand. Now again let's come for the first row. For the first row, what is the least value? 3. Next list is 4. Difference is 1. 1 is called penalty. And here it is 3, 4. Difference is 1. Similarly for the first column, this is 3, this is 4. Penalty is 1. And second column 3, 7. Difference is 4. 4 is the penalty. Here it is 1. Now we need to check the highest penalty. What is the highest penalty? So 1, 1, 1, 4, 1 low. Highest penalty is 4 and this is corresponding to second column. So that we need to identify like that. So after identifying the corresponding column, now in this column out of 7, 3, we need to choose the least element. Least element is 3. Now for this 3, we have to give allocation. Now if you observe, for this 3, corresponding supply is 3, corresponding demand is 3. Corresponding supply 3 and corresponding demand is also 3. So out of this 3 and this 3, we need to allocate least value. But both are same now, so we will allocate 3 only. Then this 3 actually there are 3 products. So those 3 we have already sent for transportation. That means that 3 will become 0. Out of these 3, this 3 means customer demand. The customer demand is fulfilled, so this becomes 0. So this supply became 0, so this became 0, so this row must be eliminated, and this is the column became 0, so this column also must be eliminated. Then the leftover matrix is 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, now this is the leftover matrix, and leftover supply is 5 and leftover demands are 3, 2, and this is supply and this is demand. Okay, now we have a single row, we don't have full-fledged matrix, so no need to go for penalties. Now we can move with identification of the least element. So in this single row we have 2 elements, 3, 4. Out of this, the least element is 3. So now we go with the allocation for this 3. So if you take this 3, supply is 5 and demand is 3. Ante there are 5 products available in the organization, let's say in the godown. Now the customer demand is only 3 products. So how many we can transport? Only 3, because even though we have 5 products at our godown, the customer is demanding only 3. So we will assign this 3. Now out of customer demand 3, 3 were transported, so this 3 become 0. And out of this 5 we have transported 3 and the leftover is 2. So this became 0, so this must be eliminated. Then the leftover value is 4. For this 4, supply is 2 and this demand is 2. So now we have supply to demand, so we can allocate 2. Then this 2 becomes 0, this 2 becomes 0. Now if you observe, after applying the procedure, both supply and demand became 0. So until this we need to, until the matrix becomes 0 like this, we need to apply the procedure. Now if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, we have done solution in 4 steps. In each step we have got an allocation. Now we have to show all these allocations in a single matrix, and that is called as allocations matrix. Now in this matrix we have to write the allocations which we have obtained from each step. Now in the first step, if you observe, in the first step we got allocation for 3 and the allocation is 2. So for this the allocation is 2. Okay. And in the second step, in this we have got allocation 3 for 3. So for this 3, allocation is 3. In the third step we got allocation 3 for 3. This is from row 1. So for this 3 allocation is 3 and for this 4 allocation is 2. So this table is called as allocations matrix. Therefore we can do the minimum transportation cost. The minimum transportation cost is, now it's very simple. Wherever you have allocations like this, then you multiply with the corresponding cost. So for the first one, the cost is 3 into 3 plus in the second allocation the cost is 4 into 2 plus in the third one allocation is 3 into 2 plus in the fourth one the allocation is 3 into 3. So this implies 3 3 is 9 plus 4 2 is 8 plus 3 2 6 plus 3 3 is 9. Okay. 18, 26, 32. So 32 is the minimum transportation cost. Thank you.